Food and Nutrition 113 Everyday Cooking is a nutrition lab that provides an opportunity for the students and instructor to apply the foundational knowledge that is explored in other classes like Food and Nutrition 110 or 225, Health and Fitness, and more. This lab really allows us to explore the concepts of food composition and nutritional value in deeper levels because it is a hands-on experience. Every week, students are asked to cook different recipes. We provide the ingredients and the guidance while explore different basic cooking techniques. This allows us to cultivate the practical skills that can be applied on our day-to-day life, such as meal prepping, meal planning, recipe modification, eating healthy on a budget, and learn basic, easy cooking techniques that can be incorporated in our fast-paced life. As an instructor of Food and Nutrition 113, I think this course is where we get to move from learning the theory of nutrition to seeing food in action. How do we portion our food, calculate our needs, cook with less salt and fat, include herbs and spices? How can we prepare really flavorful, healthy food? Ultimately, my goal as a professor is for all of us to cultivate skills and self-confidence that can make a healthy lifestyle doable in our kitchens. We have amazing facilities, which allows us to explore many different recipes to fit the needs and preferences of our students. After students finish cooking, we get to sit and enjoy our meals together. Students are also allowed to take what they cook home. During class, we also discuss where we get the ingredients that we use in affordable prices, or even if they are accessible at the local food pantry. The mission is to make this cooking class enjoyable, educational, and resourceful. This lab offers the opportunity to get to know food intimately. Therefore, get to know oneself intimately. Discover different things about oneself as we connect back to our needs, our senses, and our bodies by nourishing them properly every class. Many generations ago, we used to gather to cook together and build strong connections. This class, on top of learning about nutrition, it is a great opportunity to learn to love, to heal, and grow together with food. I hope to see you on the other side, and I cannot wait to connect and cook with you all.